Hey, this is Joey here at Best Trailers. I'm going to show you this MC1F we got in stock here. Now this is the folding aluminum motorcycle trailer. They do this in a single motorcycle trailer and a double motorcycle. This is the single here. It's 4.5 foot wide and then about 9 foot long roughly. You've got a 2,200 pound torsion axle, aluminum wheels. You've got the air dam on the front to protect your motorcycle from the road debris and salt, dirt and everything. There's 4 tie downs on it, 2 in the front, 2 in the back right here. You have a slide out ramp that'll slide out the rear. Stores underneath the trailer when you're not in use. I'll throw this in here and then we'll fold it up and show you how it works. You've got a nice cover right there for when you're not using the ramp. It helps keep the ramp in there too. Now there's 2 locks for when it's in the down position on each side. They are right here. I've already got them unlocked so I don't have to fool with those. You just flip it over. Set it down and then 1 more lock right here. All right, now to lift it up, I've put 2 wheel chocks underneath the bag. That keeps it from rolling out from under me when I'm lifting it up. I've got Kurt here to help me lift it up. Now this weighs about 480 pounds, but as you can see, 1 person can easily pick it up, store it upside in your garage, building, whatever you need to. If you've got a homeowners association, can't have it in your driveway, this is what people like because it doesn't take up as much garage room. Now there's a pin right here, which if you have to fold that up, you'll fold that up before you lift it up. That way you'd be under your ceiling height. Again, for the lower ceiling carport. Come see us today. We've got the MC1F and the MC2F for both motorcycles in stock here now. 478-654-5350.